Just bought this 1973 Nova. All I did was change it to rallies. Everything else was already there. I'm gonna go around it so you guys can check it out. Does need some body work. As you can see down here, there's my C10. Still got that. Anyways, check it out. It's got the small block 350. I just got valve covers for it. And I got the 40 Flowmasters. So I'm going to be putting that on pretty soon. Because right now it's got straight pipes. And it actually does not sound that good, in my opinion. But pretty soon I'll have the chrome metal block valve covers. Brand new intake pretty soon. It's got a brand new battery. Just got to redo the wiring because it's all messed up. It's missing the back seat. So I got to get a back seat. You can see it's missing the back seat. The inside's pretty decent. Not bad. Top. The door panels aren't too bad. Now let's hear it start. And it's got a starter over here, so I'm going to change that pretty soon. Go. The 1973 Nova. It's got some rust right there too. Pipes. Pretty soon I'll have the Flowmasters though, so it'll sound way better. Panel. The floors look good. I'm gonna get the seats redone. I'm going to get the front bumper tucked in too, because I don't want that gap right there. The cover that goes there was missing, so I'm going to get the bumper tucked in. Same thing with the back one. See that big old gap? But it's not bad. It's not a bad car. Drives good. Got to do some body work on it. It's got the 15-inch rallies, 215, 65, 15 tires all the way around. Got some rust right there too. It already had some previous Bondo. the car's not bad at all. Can't wait to fix it up. The trunk is pretty good inside.